we get a chance to visit the Gifted Brain Room located at 4th floor Robinson Galleria. Pinag-color na nga lang muna sila Drix habang nag-aantay kami. Inside the Gifted Brain Room, there are different activities that focus on the 4 brain developmental milestones. But first, he need to wear the Gifted Brain Visualizer to monitor his brain activities. First challenge is in the focus room. Medyo nahirapan lang siya i-pull yung ropes dito pero nagawa rin naman niya yung challenge. Second, the memory room. Dito ko nakita kung gaano siya kaseryoso sa ginagawa niya. And without my help, nagawa niya yung challenge. And third, the language room. Dito sa room na to, tuwang-tuwa siya pag nasasagutan niya. Napapatalon pa nga siya pag tama yung sagot niya. Kaya may another desk na nakulik na naman siya. And fourth, the problem solving. Na-solve naman niya yung challenge na to bago matapos yung oras namin. Hindi man namin natapos ang 5 escape room. Nag-enjoy naman si Drake sa mga challenge and he collected 4 days. And this is the final brain room. And the result of Drake's brain development, he has a strong skill in problem solving and memory. Sobrang nag-enjoy kami dito. Kaya naman mamis, visit the Gifted Brain Room here at Robinson Galleria. And book your slot now. It's open to the public for free and